Hi everyone, I'm back with another exciting practical and short video for you. In this quick video I'll share 20 everyday sentences and abbreviations that native English speakers use all the time. Let's get started. As soon as possible. Laugh out loud. By the way. In real life. For your information. Be right back. Talk to you later. Oh my God. Shaking my head. To be honest. Rolling on the floor laughing. On my way. In my opinion. Thank you. Too long, didn't read. Do it yourself. What the heck? Face to face. Let me know. Not safe for work.